Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to transform this toga dress into this super cutie dress right here. So for the materials, we're going to need 1 yard of mesh fabric. I'm going to link it down below kung saan ko siya binili. So for the first is we're going to remove the zipper, and also we're going to remove the sleeves. And after cutting the main bodice of the dress, we're now going to proceed on cutting the sleeves. So for the cutting of the sleeves, I provided the measurements I use. So makikita nyo siya mamaya dyan sa screen niya. And eto na yung main bodice na sinasabi ko kanina. So we have the 36 by 38 measurements of the main bodice. And also we're going to cut it by 3 by 3 inches for the armhole. Okay, and also dun sa may bottom part niya, we're going to cut 2 pieces na tigsa 7 inches for the bottom part of the dress. So after cutting it, we're going to trace the 2 pieces, the 7 inches, into the mesh fabrics, the daisy mesh fabrics, and then after that, we're going to cut it. And we have here the leftover daisy mesh fabric, so I fold it and then I cut it into 2, and then yun yung ginamit ko dun sa sleeves. And for the sewing steps naman guys is, as usual, we're going to double hem all the sides or the raw edges of our fabric. And for sewing this bottom part niya, we're going to fold first dun sa may yung ginagawa ko dyan. Ifo-fold natin yan, and then dun sa kabila naman is we're going to top stitch lang kasi dun sa pagkakat ko kanina medyo hindi siya pantay, kaya ganun. Just cut the excess fabric or the excess mesh fabric, and then we're now going to connect the 2 pieces. And of course guys, don't forget to make a loose stitch for the bottom pieces para mag-sheared siya mamaya. Ipo-pull out nyo yung isang thread para mag-gather siya. Okay? Bale, tatahiin nyo siya guys dun sa may tops, dun sa tinap stitch lang natin kanina. Okay? Hindi yung sa dinoble hem natin. And for the sleeves naman guys, medyo super challenging nito. Medyo mahirap siya. Kasi ayan, itatahin na natin yung kanyang mesh fabric. So, I just pinned it na lang lahat dito sa my bottom part niya. And also dito sa my armhole niya para hindi siya naggagalaw-galaw. Kasi nag-wrinkle din siya. So after that, after natin itahi, we're now going to double hem dito sa may part ng upper part niya. Okay? So, back to the main bodice of the dress. We're going to sew it with the elastic thread para mag-sheared or mag-smock siya, okay? So, when you don't have an elastic thread already on the bobbin, just fill it up again, then continue sewing. Don't forget to lock or reverse your tinatahe. And then after that, we're going to remove yung mga nagsipol-sipol na elastic thread. And then after that, we're going to connect now the sides. And then, we're now going to proceed on attaching the bottom part of the dress. So, ayan, nag-gather ko na yung ating bottom part of the dress. Ayan, so I pin it already. And then, after natin siyang ipin, we're now going to sew it. May pinuntahan yung videographer ko, kaya ganan ako yung nag-video dito sa part na to, kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na guys, okay? Basta ayan, tinatahi ko lang siya dun sa may gather part niya. And then, we're now going to attach yung sleeve natin by pinning it first before sewing it, para mas malinis at mas maganda yung pagkakatahi ng ating sleeves, okay? And for the last step of today's DIY tutorial guys, is we're now going to sew the elastic thread sa my upper sleeves natin para mag-fit or mag-puff sleeves siya, okay? And that's all for today's DIY video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and click the notification bell para palaging updated sa mga bagong videos ko. So, we're now going to see the final transformation. Let's go!